Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Esther and I do sewing tutorials on this channel. In today's video, I'll be making this beautiful DIY Kelly bag. Yes, I'll be making my own bag inspired by the Kelly bag. So I got this DIY kit from a shop called Popsewing. So they offer a high quality leather bag DIY kit that allows you to sew your own bag or purse or belt, name it, all of that at the comfort of your home. So when you go online or Google, you type in popsewing.com and then it takes you straight to the website. You can see how beautiful the website looks like. So this is the home page of the website, and then when you go to the top right corner, you will see where you can choose what you want to make. So when you go to DIY bag kit, you can choose inspired bags, advanced DIY kit, a lot of things. So based on your taste, you can choose whatever you want to make. So I wanted to make the um new Kelly bag, so that's what I chose. So it actually comes with everything you need to make this bag. So it comes with the tools, it comes with everything. And then all their DIY kits have been pre-cut and punched, making it more easier and fun to make. They also provide an easy step-by-step tutorial video, so you don't have to worry if you're just a beginner. So if you are interested, you can go to Pop Sewing and then try your hands on one of their DIY kits. I bet you're gonna love it. So let's get into the making of this bag. So this is how it is packaged in this box with a pop sewing tape around it. And once you open it, you can find everything needed for the particular DIY you choose. So it has this paper in the box with a QR code. You can contact them for the tutorial video that is really needed. And it comes also with this beautiful rainbow keychain, and this one as well. I don't know what it's called, but it's also to beautify the bag. So this is the toolkit. It has all the tools you need, and also what every tool is used for. That's what is written at the back. So once I open the kit, this is everything that was in the needles, a cutter, clips, thimble, because you're gonna sew a lot, so you need a thimble to protect your finger. And also this is the main part of the bag. It's has the leather, the sewing thread and everything, and the number label. So this is to label the bag once you're putting them together or assembling them together, so that you don't get confused. So I'm going to label all of them whilst watching the tutorial video, because the tutorial video will let you know which number goes where. So I've labeled all the parts with the number sticker, so now it's going to be easier for me to assemble them together. So in the tutorial video, it says to start with number 1 and then make a decorative stitch at the top of this side of the bag. So yeah, as you can see, this is the tutorial video. I'm watching it on the tablet, and these are the tools that I'm going to begin with. So to start off with this tutorial, I'm going to measure, and it says to measure the length 6 times the length of this part of the bag. So I'll do that and then thread the needle. So they have a special way of threading the needle, and as I already said, it can all be found in the tutorial video. And this is not really a tutorial video. I'm just taking you through how I made this bag, so it's not gonna be like a detailed tutorial. Yeah, I'll thread the needle and then I'll begin with the decorative stitch. So it's called the saddle stitch, or yeah, if I'm not wrong, it's called the saddle stitch, and it's really easy to make. So far this is what I've made and I'm liking it already. So yeah, I'm going to do the rest off camera and I'm back. This is how it looks at the back as well. It really looks neat and beautiful. So as we continue, I'm going to go on with the handle of the bag and also those small little parts. I don't know what it's called. So yeah, I'm going to put them in the gold wear like you see and then start stitching that one as well. So that part is kind of tough, so that's where you need the symbol to help you push the needle through, otherwise your fingers are going to burn really bad. My emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. So at this point, I was able to attach the handle and I was really proud of myself because this is the first time I'm trying this type of DIY and so far so good. So I'm going to stitch this end to the bag as well. Every day I drive my car to my little job and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. So once I'm done stitching, I'll cut off the threads and use a lighter to finish the ends. You can actually use two different methods, one with a glue or a lighter, but unfortunately they're not able to ship those items, so that's the only thing you have to provide yourself. So yeah, so this is how far I've come with the stitching. So the next thing to do is to stitch the bottom part to the sides of the bag. So you see with the numbers it's really easy to assemble them. So the bottom side is number 4 and I will stitch it to the front and the back side of the bag. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah. So this is what it looks like after stitching it. Looking so beautiful already. I can't wait to see the end result of this DIY bag. So we are almost coming to the end of this project. So now the only thing to do is to stitch the smaller side pieces to both sides of the bag. So these are the side panels I'll be attaching to both sides of the bag, and after stitching this, like I already said, that will be the end, and then I'm going to finish the bag with, you know, the keychain and everything. But this clips also comes with the package and it's used to hold maybe 2 or 3 pieces together, so it's easier for you to stitch. So yeah, I'm going to quickly attach these panels and I'll get right back to you. So not forgetting the thin strip of leather that is here, as you can see on the screen, that's going to be sandwiched in between these 2 pieces. So after flipping the bag over, it's going to give off a very beautiful design. If you have a bag, you see that thin strip of thing that runs through the sides of or ends of the bag. Yeah, that is what it's gonna do. So this is how it's supposed to look like. So after stitching it all around, it will give you that kind of like a thin strip over there. So one side is done and I'm going to finish it off and then move to the other side as well. And hooray, I'm finally done with the stitching of the bag. I'm so excited. I can't wait to flip it over and see how it's really looking. So as you already know, I'm going to flip it over. It's really tough because it's really quality leather. So yeah, you need a lot of strength to flip it over. But yeah, I did it. So after flipping out the bag, gently push out the corners and the edges to straighten it up. So next is to thread the strap through the holes, and after doing this and pulling it out, this is gonna give you the fold effect at the sides of the bag. And then it's the same strap that will serve as the lock also for the bag.
And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite. I'm so backwards and upside down. I'm such a clown. But
So we finally come to the end of this amazing project, and I would admit that this is one of the fun projects I have ever done. So yeah, if you've ever thought of making your own bag or purse, or if you ever thought of making a handmade bag or something for your special someone, your friend, your sister, your mom, I mean, this would be a perfect Mother's Day gift for your mom. Look nowhere, because Pop Sewing got you. I mean, their bags are of quality, and they also have already made bags. So you can decide to buy the bag that is already made, or you can choose to just get the sewing kit or the DIY kit and make it yourself. I think that one will be more special because it's going to be made with love. So now what I'm going to do is to just put the keychains around the bag to decorate it. You can also put a scarf around it to even make it more beautiful. So if you'd like to try your hand on this project, I'll put the link to the web shop in the description box, and you can also use the discount code STARTTHEDAY to get a 20% discount off your first order. This is the bag. It's so pretty. I'm so proud of myself that I made this bag. Thanks for watching. Bye.